Yo, what is up guys? Brando here. Welcome to my channel. This is the big giveaway video. There's something that I would love to show you guys today. It is the JBL T500bt or the Tune 500bt. These are JBL's mid-level wireless headphones. It's something that I was dying to see for a while. So I know a very big seller is the 450bt, but I figured out and said, why not just get the 500 and hear what it sounds like. So if you don't know, I have this great love for headsets and headphones. I love earphones. I maybe owned about 50 or 55 to date. So I have experienced quite a bit of headphone technology during the past years. But the most important thing about this video is I have not one, but two JBL T500BTs. And that is because this guy here is going to be shipped out to one of you lucky subscribers. Take note that I'm new at video. I haven't been doing this for years, and literally 3 months is the max that I've been pouncing around. To reach 100 subscribers or over 100 subscribers for me is really great, and I want to thank you guys. Just for that, I want to ship out this. We will be doing the lucky giveaway at the end of this video. So keep your fingers crossed, your name will be randomly selected. Let's get on with this unboxing, and you will not have to guess what you will be receiving, you lucky subscriber. Let's go through some of the features that it has. Number one, we do know it's wireless. It has something called pure bass sound. That's one of JBL's patents. I think they throw in some extra bass on the EQ. I'm dying to hear what that sounds like. And it has 16 hours of battery life of a single full charge. It's on ear. It's not an over ear headset, so it's going to sit on the lobe of your ear. I don't really recommend this for very long periods of use because it can cause some strain on your earlobe, but I'm sure it's pretty comfortable. It also has the ability to make hand-free calls. I mean, that's pretty normal nowadays. We're going to pop this baby open. I'm figuring it's from the bottom here. It's just two little tabs. 1, 2, take right up. The first thing I noticed is the size of this headset. It is small. Right here in the box we have this great USB charging cable, and it is JBL branded. The quality is exceptional. This feels really good. It has JBL logos on it, orange accents on the inside of the tips. It's pretty short. I don't know where they expect us to plug this in to get our charge, so you're gonna have to leave it quite close to something. In here we also receive our user manual that's stuck to the board. We don't read user manuals. And we have our headset. And I am blown away with the weight of this. Let's just have a look here. What's the weight? 155 grams. If I have to put it to you this way, it feels like my iPhone X is heavier than this headset for some reason, right? I could be wrong, but yeah, this is light. It's really well made. I don't think JBL's ever made a bad headset. It has the JBL logos here on the sides. The cups have tilt and swivel, so you can get a really nice, comfortable set on your head. It's marked here left and right, and it has this very nice fingerprint-free matte plastic texture, but by no means does it feel cheap. We have all the controls on one side. There's a microphone hole at the bottom, volume up, volume down, and your select. And there's a power up button. So let's get this baby powered up and we can hear exactly what it sounds like. So some blinky blue lights. Let me go to my Bluetooth settings. Right at the bottom. It's ready and we are paired. I mean, that took like 4 seconds. Are we paired? Yeah, we paired. Wow, okay, surprising. That was fast. That's pretty fast. Well, I'm going to listen to this and give you some brief idea of what it sounds like. And listen here, you're not going to hear exactly what this sounds like. I can give you some estimate at least. So let's pop this on. It does feel comfortable. It sits pretty well. The cushions feel good. Let's play something. Whoa. It sounds really nice. It has good volume. The volume on the headset controls the volume here on the phone. Not bad at all. Let's try Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. The reason why I'm not playing this song here is due to copyright. YouTube is really strict about that. So I want to play one more song. I understand this. This headset is so light that if I don't consciously feel the cups on my ear, I don't know that it's on my head. I think it's about as light as my cap. I'm like utterly impressed by the comfort. I love the way that it feels. Sound wise, let's be pretty honest here. I think, okay, let me pull this off because I can't hear myself. So isolation wise, it feels good. It kind of isolates the outsides. It holds you quite nice on your head. Sound wise, it's a good sounding headset. I think the issue is that I'm quite used to excellent sounding headsets or really great sounding headsets. You can hear that this was tuned for the everyday user. If I had to buy this for my little brother, he'd be really happy with it because it's loud. I mean, it gets really loud enough for you to enjoy the music, and it has a lot of bass, or tends to lack by the mid-range and highs. I'm a more flat type of guy, so I would rather have a flat sounding headset, and then I would be able to tune it maybe on an EQ. I don't say that this headset sounds bad, in no way. It sounds really good. I'm just being quite fussy here. Let's base it on the price. It sounds great. It would have some heads up to the competitors. The sound will really complement your everyday user. I do not recommend this to an audiophile. There's certain things that I look for in certain songs. I know what I'm looking for. I just don't make a decision as to what sounds good or bad. So this is a good sounding headset. I think to a normal person it will sound great. It's really comfortable. These cushy pads here, it's made out of some sort of nylon material, so it does not feel like leather. It feels more like plastic. It has a rubbery feel to it. These drivers, if I'm not mistaken, I'm sure they are less than 40 mils. It's actually, the driver size is 32 millimeters. It has a 3.7 volt 300 milliamp lithium polymer battery. It takes 2 hours to charge up this headset from flat to full, and you will have a full 16 hours of playback. I'm going to do a review on this and I will definitely let you know. I must make note that this is not a sponsored video. I purchased both these headsets with my own money for this giveaway, so I'm not really going to euphemize this whole video just to give them out. If this is a bad headset, I'll tell you this is a bad headset. I think it's going to cater for the market that it was priced or intended to attack. So this guy will do the job. I think it'll make a great Christmas gift as well. And to the lucky subscriber that's going to receive this, I know that you are going to enjoy it. So let's get on with the second part of this video, and it is my channel's 100 subscriber giveaway. So this is the first giveaway I'm doing, and hence I did not even ask anybody for sponsors. I said I'm gonna buy the stuff with my own money because I think you deserve it. So I'm gonna go on, we're gonna randomly choose our guy here. Let's just go click the button. Please mind my laptop fan, it is going berserk at the moment. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Okay, so let's go on here. Let's go to my channel, and I'm going to randomly select somebody. So please don't shoot me if you don't get chosen. I will be having many more giveaways that you can be certain of. So I'm going to just roll up, and where this mouse stops, that's the lucky subscriber. So cross your fingers in 3, 2, 1, roll and stop. And our lucky subscriber is Angry Badger. Did I say that right? Yes, it is Angry Badger. So Angry Badger, well done to you. Thank you for subscribing. I'm going to send you a message. I hope that you're gonna like this. Please send us a picture or something to say that you received it at least. So thank you so much for joining me. I do know that as I grow my channel, I will grow with you. And if there's something that you guys like to see, if there's something that you guys want to know, please leave a comment down below. I would really appreciate every single bit of input that you give me. My apologies for the microphone. I had a bit of issue with my lapel this morning, so I'm using the shotgun. It's pretty far away from me. To Angry Badger, whoever you are, I hope that you will not be angry anymore because you've just won yourself a set of JBL Bluetooth wireless headphones. And to wrap it up, I just want to remind you, give a thumbs up if you like this video, thumbs down if you didn't, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button if you love this video, and thank you. It was a pleasure doing business with you. Ciao.